Welcome to Cabanas Hua Hin, a recently completed condominium in the heart of Hua Hin, just located at 300 meters from the beach. Let me show you everything this condominium has to offer and what units are available for purchase. In terms of facilities, you have a co-working space lounge area to your right. You have kids room and finally a gym. Very spacious, brand new gym. You have your treadmills, your dumbbells, your machines. Now let me show you the swimming pool. Your little kids pool, 2 swimming pools accessible by the first ground unit of each building. They're actually connected to the balconies. Welcome to the main reception and the lobby of Cabanas Hua Hin. If you follow me through here, you have your mailbox room as well. And follow me now through the lobby to the main garden area, greeted by sunbeds, swimming pools, and your residential buildings. Welcome to the 33 square meter, 1-bedroom show unit. On your left, you have your kitchen. In the middle, you have your little dining area, followed by your living room. A rather spacious balcony, and come through. You can see all the internal view of the condo with the swimming pool and the little gardens. You have your little sofa right in front of your bed. Luckily, if you're cooking or you have guests, you can section both parts of the bedroom and the living area. Here you have your bed, closet, hang some clothes. And right to your left, you have your ensuite bathroom with shower, toilet and sink. And then come through past your bed. You have a little lounging area where you can put maybe a table for an office area. Now here is the 25 square meter studio show unit. Follow me inside. On your left, you're greeted by your fridge and your kitchen. Follow through directly, you're greeted with your bedroom. You have space to put a little couch, desk for a study area, for example. Your bed here leading directly to your balcony, where again you have room for your washing machine and a little table to sit down, enjoy the fresh air. Just to your right, you have your bathroom with a sink, toilet and shower. Now let me show you the 2-bedroom show unit, 50 square meters. You walk in, you're greeted by your living room and your dining area. To your right, you have your kitchen and can be separated with glass sliding doors for the smells. Come through here, you have your living room, sofa, television that leads straight to your balcony. Again, a very large and spacious balcony, and you have nice views of all the swimming pools and the garden and the sunbed. So this is not the master bedroom. Come through, you can see it's a corner bedroom, so you have a lot of lighting from the 2 windows. Now follow me into the 2nd bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Large spacious area, your closet, wardrobe here, and a nice window, the views of the pool. You have a door leading directly to your bathroom with your shower, sink and toilet, and it connects directly to your living room in case you have guests so they don't have to go through your room. If you're interested in purchasing or investing in a condominium in Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya or anywhere else in Thailand, make sure to contact us. Thank you.